Here is the rust from the chain. Terrible. What this chain needs is some WD-40. By the way, always wear gloves. These gears are clicking. What we're gonna do to make my gears sweet and smooth like chocolate is we're gonna twist this knob here to make them sweet and smooth. Like this. Now we're doing a brake test. Watch the brakes go into action. Make sure your brakes, your bolts are nice and tight. Look, this tyre is flat. Never cycle on a flat tyre. Always cycle on a pumped up tyre like this. 80 psi is a good psi to cycle at. Almost there. 80 psi. Always make sure you have the right tools for the job. Always make sure your bike is nice and clean. Follow these simple tips and you'll have a trouble-free cycle. Have fun.